Did you know that chewing on treats like this can actually help naturally clean your dog's teeth? About 6 months ago, Oreo's vet told us that his teeth were getting to a point where he needed a dental cleaning. After that, I started giving him treats like King Lou's whole duck feet. Fast forward 6 months, we went back to the vet and we were told that his teeth looked great and he didn't need a cleaning anymore, and they were honestly shocked by that. I'm not saying that these are magic, but the chewing and crunching can help naturally scrape the teeth while he eats, and they're becoming part of Oreo's daily routine. And yes, these are literally entire duck foot. And the only ingredient is free-range duck feet. That's it. They're low-temperature dehydrated raw, and they're also naturally rich in collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin to help support hip and joint health. King Lou uses ingredients sourced 100% from the USA and make their treats in small batches. Honestly, Oreo's review says more than I could ever say. Don't disappoint your dogs. Buy the duck feet.